Today I'm making a quick and easy dinner. I have 2 jalapenos, part of a bell pepper and onion. Here I have about 1 pound of extra large shrimp and 13 ounces of beef smoked sausage. I'm going to prep all of this, put it together for a 15-minute dinner. Here we go. Okay, so I've sliced all of my smoked sausage going into a preheated pan, and I'm actually going to crank the heat up on this. I want it to sizzle and cook. And I'm going to let this go for about 5 minutes or so just to give it a head start. And because the smoked sausage does have fat, I'm going to let the natural fat render instead of adding cooking oil into the pan. Here I've already prepped my half of a red bell pepper, half of a medium onion, and 2 jalapenos. I removed the seeds and veins so it's not as spicy. So my sausage is sautéing nicely, and that fond at the bottom is flavor. So what I'm going to do is create a space and add all of my veggies in the center. By the way, I want to remind you that if you see this video on Facebook, it is not me. I do not post on Facebook. And if you are following any of those accounts are being run by hackers. So unfollow or just be aware. For the shrimp, I'm going to season with a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. I'm just going to sprinkle whatever's left in the bottle. And I'm going to go with some smoked paprika. Again, the ratios are up to you. I'm just eyeballing things. Here I'm going to add some Montreal chicken seasoning. I like using that in the kitchen. I'm going to give that a mix. And the shrimp does not take very long to cook. So after your veggies are sauteed and the sausage is done, you'll want to add the shrimp right in the center. And I'm just going to saute and cook for several minutes or until the shrimp is done. It really doesn't take that long. Now it will depend on how cold the shrimp is, but this was kind of close to room temperature, so it's just going to take minutes. I'm also going to add some salt-free lemon pepper, which I should have added to the shrimp earlier, and a little more of that Montreal chicken seasoning. I'm going to continue to saute for another minute, and this is done. You can serve this over your favorite rice side dish. You can make tacos, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So what I've done is in a preheated pan, I'm going to add just a little bit of butter, and I'm going to warm through corn tortillas. You can make these soft. I'm making them crispy. Here I'm adding shredded cheese. You can use the shredded cheese of your choice. And now I'm going to add my shrimp sausage sauté. And that's about as quick and as simple as it gets. Once these tacos are crispy on the outside and the cheese is melty, they are ready to serve. Garnish how you like. Add extra salsa, sour cream, lettuce, tomato. It all works and it's so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.